Today we're installing AdventureWorks sample database. We're going to start with the OLTP version that matches your SQL Server version. My SQL Server version will be AdventureWorks 2022. Okay, and you also need to find Windows C program files, Microsoft SQL Server, the Microsoft SQL 16 SQL Server Express, the Microsoft SQL Server, and then backup. And once you find the backup file, that's when you put the back file here. Okay, we are at SQL Server Management Studio. Let me go to right click on database, select restore database. We're going to select device, the Olympics here, click add. It takes us to the folder where the AdventureWorks was put in, which is the backup folder. We select that, click OK, click OK again, and it's restored. Database restored successfully. We see it here.